guys, Master Animal. Today is Monday, so let's get the Monday rare. What? Okay, so, yeah, Monday rare. Monday rare. Monday rare. Hey, you, make me, no way. Sorry, I was just singing a song. Whoa, 5 jamgrams, cool. I feel like she's been my buddy before and I deleted her. Oh, Half-50 misses me. I miss you too. I miss you too. Not really sure who you are, but all I know about you is that you're a girl. Okay, cool. I have 7 just 7. I have some presents for meal time. Yay! Well, not presents, but gifts. I'm sorry, I can't really talk. Ooh, yay! Excited Ciliosa! Ooh! And if you guys don't, she just left. But if you guys, she just got off. No! Wait. No! I saw you, and right when I saw you, you got off. AJ. Office. Wait. Closer to off. Off. Not office. AJ. But yeah. Excited Ciliosa. She is Kunsaw's sister. Ooh, they got more hair swirl and stuff in. Cool. I didn't get anything for Egyptian. Is that a? Oh yeah, it is. It's one, but sorry, I'm being hey, I can barely talk. I'm being so quiet. Guys, please send me stuff for mail time. I know you're just no, you don't deserve. You're not like Lilac Petal. You're not as cool as she is. So you don't deserve a mail time video. As in, you don't deserve gifts. But I really want to do a mail time video. It's my dream. I'm not joking. It's my dream to be famous. Not really famous, but Lilac Petal and Wolfie Cat and Kusho, aka Pepper. They are famous. So yeah, you know you have to be a seal to break that. You know. You have to be a seal to break the ice because the secret entrance only allows seals. Ow! So you can only break it if you're a seal. But actually, you might be able to break it, but you won't enter it. Only seals can enter it. Oh, she's a seal. But yeah. Anyway. Oh yeah, Monday rare. It's probably not here. It's probably one time it was here. And one time was at like the doctor place, so. It was a rare monkey hat. No, it's not here. Then one time it was here. It was a rare cone color. Oh, it's not this either. Okay, let's see that epic wonders. Oh wait, how many diamonds do I have? Okay, 8. Okay. Oh, it might be rare furniture. I forgot it could be rare furniture. Oh, I can't get you. I don't have enough. Not there. What? Oh, I think the feathered mask is like only for Halloween, I guess. I didn't know that. Not here. Let's go check. Oh no, I didn't mean to go back. Hey, yeah, I know that part. No. Nothing here. Oh wait, is it? Yeah, it's the last day. Oh, I really wanted to get that. I'm so. No, I'm not that close actually, but kind of. Huh? Where could it be? I don't think it could be at the diamond shop, but. Ooh, did it say last day or sale? Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, not there. Rare music? No. Rare getting spending diamond? Where is it? Check here again. Okay, so no, 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 no. 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 Oh no, it's probably not gonna be here. Oh! No, 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 no. There is Mitch Shiver. I forgot about Mitch Shiver. But I was like wondering where to get those flaming hat pumpkins, and like I'm like, where do you get them? And then I just couldn't find them, and I forgot there was a store at Mitch Shiver. Well, Mount Shiver. I call it Mitch Shiver. And then I watched one of Wolfie Cat's videos and was like, oh cool. She got like 3 or 2 of them. She's like, oh cool. How I didn't know. Where do you get these? I'm like, I don't know, but I want to know. And then I asked this eagle, and they said it was at Mitch Shiver. I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot about Mitch Shiver. So if it's not here when we check Super Good, then we will check Super Good and Mitch Shiver, and like then we'll check Really Good everywhere else. So let's see. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I feel like it's gonna be a Mitch Shiver. No, 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 no. Yes! Yay! Oh, I don't have enough. Oh. Oh well, that's what the rare is. If you want to get it, ooh, it's a secret color. The secret color is this. No, 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 it's not a secret color. There's the secret color. a bluish, between, was it that week? Yes, this week. No. Oh, I forgot what pink it was. Ooh, yes, there. There it is. Ooh, look at my fox. It's so stylish. Boom. Kumsal, she had this, oh no. Her fox was just up like this. Hey, she didn't put, I have an amulet. You could have put that on mine. I have it. Well, anyway, I'm like, ooh, I love your fox's outfit. And I said, can you make one for me, like just my fox up like that? So she did, but I didn't have, I had blue set but not purple. Because I did have a blue and purple, but her sister, Excited Siliosa, got hacked. And so, I gave her my purple ones, and I haven't got more yet. I don't really, since I don't really need 2 pairs. Cody, what are you doing? Oh, you tried to sit up there. You messed everything up now. Okay, well, so yeah, she did the blue, and I didn't have those. And I was really dumb, and I thought that these would be ugly, because on a lot of animals they are ugly, like that color and all those colors. And I'm like, no, it's so ugly. And then I said, where'd you get yours? I thought it was betta. They were bettas. Like, now you can't get them. I was like, where did you get yours? And she's like, I don't know, Dora. Oh no, I just said her sister's name. Oh no. I don't know. Well, she did say her sister's name. But I hope no one heard that. But she said her sister's name in real life. But I'm just going to say Excited Celia. So she's like, Excited Celia got it for me. I said, where did you get it? So like at the horse party. I'm like, really? Really? I like never go to the horse party. It's sad. I never know when it's on, and like I don't know where the shop is. Like I like stay on the bottom floor and then play the derby game or derby game, whatever it is, and then leave. But I haven't looked at the store yet. I know nothing about the store. But my least favorite party is Atlantic Party. I'm just gonna throw that out there, just so you know. So yeah, and I'm like, really? And she said yes. So I'm gonna, when it's the horse party, I'm gonna go to it and get pink ones. So woohoo! But I'm just gonna get them because I'll probably need them again one day. But I am not gonna, like, I'm gonna keep my outfit wearing, my fox's outfit wearing those. So yeah, let me put the amulet on it. Let's see if it looks good actually. I like my look better than Kunsal's actually. But shh, don't say that. Shh, don't tell her. Shh, don't tell her. I hope she doesn't watch this video. Oh, I thought that. Oh, why do I have this? I'm gonna recycle this. Okay. Do I have 2 pairs of these? I think I do. I don't want 2 pairs of anything. Okay, now I don't have 2 pairs. Wait, it was so, this person, I watched one of her videos, and rare, she like only has rares, and she like gets like 20 of them, like 10 of them, and she just had like 10 of all these rares, but she was losing space, so, and there was a rare, so she only got 5. But she was like, oh, bye!